how to set camera to capture motion photos before and after shutter on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the control button. Next, tap on the settings icon. And then in camera settings, we go down and tap on motion photos. At the top here, choose before and after shutter. Otherwise, you can choose to capture only before shutter by selecting before shutter only. And that's it. After that, tap on the back here to go back to your camera. Now, if you take your pictures, the video clip will be captured before the shutter button and after the shutter, after you press on the shutter button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.